So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your Zangi account. So the first thing you want to do is to open the app itself. Through there you're going to get options to get your free private number. Zangi doesn't take your mobile number. Your contacts, text messages, images, videos and files are stored only on your device, and your chats and calls are fully end-to-end encrypted. So if you want to register, you can just click on here, and after that I accept Zangi's terms of use and privacy policy. So click on register. After that, you're going to be prompted to add your first and last name, as well as to turn on notifications, which I suggest you do if you want to get the full Zangi experience. From that point, you are going to be asked to set your password. So password is required for re-login. If you skip this step, you won't be able to access your account after signing out. So I really suggest you create your own password, since you never know when you're going to be signed out, or if there's going to be some step that or at some point that you need to sign out. So just create that password either way. And from that point, you're going to get this private number. So it's your Zangi private number, so you can share it with your friends, so you can keep in touch within Zangi. So that's really interesting because you don't have to use your own personal number that you use from your SIM card and in day-to-day life. So this is a specific number that you get assigned to when you create your account. And after you've created your account, you can add contacts and send this number to your friends, so you can chat with each other on Zangi. So that's how you can create your account. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Zangi or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.